Want to win an amazing thermal outfit and guarantee a permanent 15% discount on all your purchases at Apricoat? So look how easy it is. Access our ambassador platform now. Create an account. Takes less than 1 minute. Well done, you've already earned 50 points and a permanent 15% discount on all your purchases at Apricoat. To earn more points, just choose and complete your next task. By reaching 400 points you get a special Apricoat's thermal wear set, up to $50. When you reach 800 points, you can choose between getting 2 pairs of Apricoat trail shorts or a $100 gift card to use in your purchases on the site. Just get the coupon code that will be sent to your email and use it on your next purchase with us. If you thought it was over, there's more. 1,200 points, you get an exclusive Apricoat's Eco Down jacket. Do you see how easy it is to get your gifts and make your next adventure more comfortable and stylish? So challenge yourself. Go to our inner circle and start getting points right now.